We are another time camping in Jennings State Forest. Back at the same spot. I like the same spot I've been going to, so I figured I might as well come back to it to go camping. It's a different day, and the weather's actually around 70 degrees, so we're gonna see how it's gonna actually be tonight. It's supposed to drop down to the 40s, so it should be a very nice temperature all around. Sun's starting to head down. I say it's heading down. It's 4:13, so probably about 2 more hours it'll be completely dark. It's probably going to take me about an hour to get to the campsite, maybe an hour and a half. So we're going to see how it's going to go. Like 7:30 in the morning and it's like 42 degrees out. That fire's smoking a little bit, so I'm gonna get it stoked and going so I can warm up. Yeah, the sleeping bag kept me nice and warm. It's cold out here. It really is. That little stream is putting off steam and everything else. It's not cold, but it's cold to Florida. It's nice and warm. I really like it. I just used up all my extra wood I had laying around. So yeah, nice and toasty. Next time I can prepare a little bit better for warm gear. Great evening, great fire, great food. Now time for a walk back to the vehicle.